Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for rocking with me. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and let's get cooking. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious veggie omelette. So good. First, start by chopping your veggies into small pieces. Then crack some eggs into a measuring cup or a bowl that is easy to pour from. Whisk your eggs and then add the veggies. Season this with your favorite seasonings. Here I'm going to use some chicken bouillon, cayenne pepper, and a little salt. On low to medium heat, add some oil to your skillet and pour a little of your egg and veggie mixtures into the pan. Once it starts to cook, roll your eggs like this and repeat the process. While you continue cooking the eggs, add some cheddar cheese once or twice before your egg is finished, and you can use either shredded cheese or sliced cheese. At this point, I will bake my omelette at 350 degrees for about 5 to 7 minutes to cook the veggies down, but you can totally skip this step. Our omelette is out and I am ready to eat. Slice this up and serve with some fruits, avocado, croissant, or just by itself. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you loved it. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get alerts anytime I post a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye!